Christine from Pack Hacker. In this video, we're taking a look at the Bellroy Hanging Toiletry Kit Plus, which I've been testing for 2 weeks. Let's dive in. So this toiletry kit is made with what Bellroy calls DuraWeave. It's recycled polyester made from plastic bottles, so that's nice. You can feel a little good about, getting rid of all those plastic bottles we consume in the name of getting a new toiletry kit. It does have a very large footprint, but it also has an 8-liter capacity. So, if you want something to carry a lot of toiletry gear, it's going to take up a lot of space. It just is. So that's that. Looking around here, we've got the Bellroy patch. It's one of their rubbery kinds. It's the same color as whatever colorway you choose. This is the clay, so we've got clay. There's a YKK zipper, but there is only one zipper pull, which means you have to open it all the way around to get stuff. If you just wanted something in this corner, you're still going all the way around. I wish they would have just given us 2 zipper pulls. Most of the time when there's something this big, you do get them. And I didn't think it was a big deal, but then I ended up missing it. So it's very small potatoes. Just wanted to point it out. There's a nice carry handle. It's just simple webbing, no padding, but you're not gonna be like carrying this for hours on end. And really, even I think if you did, I don't think it would be that uncomfortable. But most of the time, you're just gonna be pulling it out of the bag, and then what you're gonna be doing is probably hanging it up by opening this little pocket back here and pulling out the nice large hook. And it's just on this cord, so they call it self-leveling. Basically, it's going to hang in the center no matter what. But I did like it because you can turn it any which direction, which means that it doesn't just have to go on a hook on a door. It can go on a towel rod or shower rod or whatever you have to hang it on. You can, as long as it's not bigger than the hook, you can fit it on, which is very nice, especially for something this big. Definitely helps to get it up off the countertop. Especially if you're taking it someplace like I did, camping in a very small camper bathroom. Really nice to just get this large footprint up off the counter. So if you are finding this video helpful, go ahead and click like and subscribe so we can keep bringing you content like this to help you travel smarter. Now, there are no other pockets on the outside of the bag, so let's go into the main compartment. Like I said, you gotta go all the way around. But then when you do, it completely lies flat. Ooh, sorry about that. It lies flat so you can see everything all at once, or you can hang it up. So this is what I did on my camper bathroom door. We have a hook on the door. And so the counter space in my camper is definitely smaller than this. It's like, there's nothing. If you've ever seen the inside of a camper, there's like nothing. It's worse than a cruise ship, which also has no counter space. So it was really nice to just be able to put this up on the door, and then like you can see everything while it's hanging up. So we're gonna start at the top here. We've got this very large shelf-like container. I've had my hairbrush in there, my razor, scrunchie, some makeup, some sunscreen. If you did bring larger bottles of sunscreen or larger bottles of shampoo, you could slide them in here. I ended up though, you can also fit them down here, which is a more water resistant pocket. So even though there was all this space up here, I didn't use it as much as I used the space down here. But it's there in case you need it. And it was very helpful mostly to grab my hairbrush all the time because it's just right there and I just grab it, use it and put it away. Underneath we have just 2 slip pockets, and they've got these like envelope flap type openings. This mesh has like a water resistant coating, but it does let you at least see what's inside, so I could grab my pills or my chapstick depending on what I needed. That's very convenient. Then below there we have this toothbrush pouch. So again, the mesh is not breathable. So if you zip it up tight, your bristles are gonna stay wet all day. Things might start growing, that's not so great. But they gave you a locking zipper. so you can just sort of crack it open a little bit and let it dry during the day. I kind of wish it was just regular mesh personally, but this works out as well, and then you don't have to worry about it falling out or anything. And the lock does stay, like I never had any issue with it falling out in transit or anything like that. Below there we have, this is again a very large water resistant pouch. This is where I put all my sunscreen and shampoo and stuff like that. It goes underneath the toothbrush shelf as well, because that doesn't need to be that big. So you can fit a lot in here. I had fit several bottles of sunscreen and bug spray, stuff like that. I left that all at home, but I just put some makeup and stuff in here, my deodorant, just to sort of show you, but you can fit a lot in this bag. If you know, especially between these two compartments, they both hold a lot of gear. Like I said, I really liked putting all my water resistant stuff in here, because if the worst is gonna happen and something leaks, I would still rather have it contained to just liquid items than, because that's what I was carrying in there when I was on my trip, than have it get on the rest of my stuff. But if you're very confident and you like lock your shampoo bottle or whatever, it is very nice to have this shelf to just be able to grab things if you need it. It's just a lot of space. I didn't use all the space up here is really the long and the short of it. So if you're looking for a very large toiletry bag, but you don't have a lot of space at your destination, this works out really well because you can hang it up just about anywhere. Just realize that no matter what, you're still gonna have to make room for it in your travel backpack or your suitcase. So you gotta have the space to get it there. So there you have it, the Bellroy Hanging Toiletry Kit Plus. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next one.